All right, we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. The Prime Minister has just arrived in Kuwait. He's being welcomed by Emir of State of Kuwait. First visit of an Indian Prime Minister to Kuwait in 43 years. The Prime Minister is to hold discussions with the leadership of Kuwait. He is to interact with the Indian diaspora. You can see those pictures on your screens right now of the interaction that's happening as we speak. The first visit by an Indian Prime Minister in 43 years. The visit to enhance ties between India and Kuwait. Right now you see him meeting with members of the Indian diaspora. Discussions that the Prime Minister is to have with the political leadership of Kuwait will center around trade, defense and energy cooperation. He's meeting Kuwaiti leaders and the Indian diaspora. He's also attending the Arabian Gulf Cup opening ceremony. Pictures are on your screen from Kuwait, where the Prime Minister is at this point in time meeting with members of the diaspora who also in fact performed for him. Extremely happy to meet the Prime Minister. On your screens right now you see in fact Indians are meeting with the Prime Minister. Indians living in Kuwait busy taking pictures with the Prime Minister. This always is a highlight of the Prime Minister's foreign visits. Remember, the Prime Minister is here up until the 22nd of December, which is tomorrow, and this marks the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to the Gulf nation in 43 years. The visit is at the invitation of the Emir, Sheikh Meshal Al Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah. It's expected to bolster long-standing ties between India and Kuwait across several sectors, including trade, defense and energy. This is the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister. In that sense, a diplomatic milestone. The last visit of an Indian Prime Minister to Kuwait was in the year 1981, when the former Prime Minister, late Mrs. Indira Gandhi, had visited Kuwait. The Prime Minister holding meetings, with key Kuwaiti leaders, including Emir Sheikh Meshal Al Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah and the Crown Prince Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid Al Sabah, and the Kuwaiti Prime Minister. Delegation-level talks will be addressing trade, investment, energy, culture and people-to-people ties. Discussions on a bilateral investment treaty and a defense cooperation pact are also on the agenda. Prime Minister is interacting with members of the Indian diaspora in Kuwait, the large expat community in the Gulf nation. The grand cultural event is being organized as well with community members, expressing a fair amount of excitement over the visit of the Prime Minister. After all, it comes after 43 long years. Also, what we know is that a visit to the Indian labour camp is planned. This comes after 45 Indians, remember, just a few months ago had lost their lives in a devastating fire in Kuwait. The Prime Minister is attending the opening ceremony of the 26th Arabian Gulf Cup football tournament as a special guest of the Kuwait Amir. Prime Minister visit is anticipated to consolidate partnerships in existing areas such as energy and trade, while also exploring new avenues for collaboration in defense and in investment. Now, India and Kuwait, remember, share centuries-old ties, with maritime trade forming the backbone of this historical relationship. Let's talk a little about Indian exports that will be figuring in these conversations as trade and tariff continues to be a big point of discussion in this visit. Indian exports to Kuwait have now reached $2 billion. Investments by the Kuwait Investment Authority in India exceed over $10 billion. Kuwait remains an important business partner, a vital energy partner as well, meeting 3% of India's crude oil needs.